In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Invoice on Wise. If you need a quick, professional way to request money, Wise lets you create an invoice-style request right from your phone. We'll walk through the process step by step so your recipient gets a clear, accurate request the first time. Start by opening the Wise app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged in and that your app is up to date, so everything looks and works as expected. From the main screen, look for the Request option. This is where Wise groups all tools for asking someone to pay you. Tap Request, then choose Request a Payment. Think of this as building the invoice. You're going to add the recipient details, the amount, the currency, and a short note that explains what the payment is for. Begin with the recipient. You can enter a name, a Wise tag, an email, or a phone number. Pick the option your recipient prefers or the one you have handy. Double-check spelling and numbers to avoid misdirected requests. If you've saved this person before, you can simply select them from your existing recipients list. That saves time and reduces the chance of typos because their details will autofill. Next, enter the amount you want to request. Be precise here, especially if this is for goods or services. If you have a specific quote or agreed total, match it exactly. Wise will show you the figure clearly, and in some cases you may see an estimate of fees and totals depending on the setup, so take a moment to review. Now, choose the currency. Select the currency you want to receive or the one your recipient prefers to pay in. Picking the right currency can help avoid unnecessary conversion costs or confusion. If you're working with an international client, you may want to choose their local currency so they see a familiar figure, while Wise handles any conversions transparently. Finally, add a note. This acts like the invoice memo. Keep it clear and concise. Include an invoice or reference number, a brief description of the work or items, and, if helpful, a due date or payment terms. This small detail dramatically improves clarity for both parties and makes reconciliation easier later. That's all it takes. You've opened the Wise app, requested a payment, added your recipient, entered the amount, chosen the currency, and included a helpful note. With these details in place, your Wise payment request functions like a professional invoice and helps you get paid quickly and accurately. Thanks for watching, and you're all set to request your next payment with confidence.